So the dazzling revolutionary phone from the Tecno side is with me, which is Tecno Pova 6 Pro 5G. So now let's know how much good this phone is under 20,000 price segment. So this Tecno Pova 6 Pro 5G actually provides a ton of features that no other phone provides under this price segment of 20,000. So during its unboxing, I was very much surprised to see a back cover with the phone. No, it's actually not a transparent cover. It's actually a good quality back cover. Now I will start with the main highlights of the phone. Tecno Pova 6 Pro 5G is actually India's first ultra-thin 6000 mAh battery, and considering the size of the battery, the phone is pretty much lightweight. The phone also have good thermal system which actually help to optimize your phone temperature by 10 degrees Celsius. The phone also supports dual speakers, which actually supports Dolby Atmos and high-res wireless support too. Now coming to the display part, Tecno Pova 6 Pro 5G actually have a 10-bit display. It comes with 1300 peak brightness. The screen doesn't support HDR, but it doesn't matter because majority of us do not stream the videos always in HDR. The color reproduction and the color management is also very good. The refresh rate is 120 Hz. Now talking about the design of the phone, the design of the phone is actually very futuristic. It comes with LED lights at the back, which the company name it as ARC interface. The storage variant that I have with me is actually 8GB RAM, which is DDR4X, and 256GB storage, which is 2.2 UFS. Now talking about the processor, this phone comes with Dimensity 680. This processor in this phone actually is not good for heavy tasks, but if you're a casual user, you can use this phone. During my usage, I felt a little bit jittery in various places while opening some apps. When I played PUBG in smooth graphics, the FPS was below 60, which is actually the biggest con of this phone. But during the CPU throttling test, the CPU throttling consistency was pretty much outstanding. It was above 90%. Another impressive thing about Tecno Pova 6 Pro 5G is its minute, impressive security features that it provides. For example, if someone tries to unlock your phone when you're not around, if you fail to write the correct password in the third time, the phone itself will capture the photo of that person and will send it to you on your cloud. And another feature is if you're the person who always charges your phone in public charging spots, and if someone tries to steal your phone by removing the cable of your phone, the phone itself will create an alarm which will alert you. Now talking about the camera part of the video performance, so don't expect an outstanding performance in Tecno Pova 6 Pro 5G on both camera and video, because as a performance is okay and also acceptable to a point because it's not a camera-centric phone. The front camera comes with 32 megapixel and the back camera comes with 108 megapixel. The selfie camera was amazingly good in the daylight, but using the rear camera, when we shoot a photo of a human subject, the skin tone of the human subject actually comes very whitish like in Vivo phones, and the color tone is more towards warmer side. We can take max 2K quality video in both front and back camera, but there's no optical stabilization there. The optical stabilization is only present in 1080p 30 fps, but that still needs some improvement. The software is full of third-party apps and it's not clean, but the software is pretty much smooth and we can use it without any issues. Okay, now finally about the battery, which is the main highlight of Tecno Pova 6 Pro 5G. The battery is 6000 mAh battery, as I said, and it lasts for approx 2 days. And the charger that we get in the box, which is 70-watt charger, charges the phone in approx 45 minutes. So my final thoughts on Tecno Pova 6 Pro 5G is, if you're a person who focuses more on design aspects, more on bigger battery, fast charging, and minute security features, and the person who is ready to compromise on little much on camera and video performance, this phone is for you. And the person who's also not using this phone for heavy usage and only for casual usage, this phone is pretty much for you. So that's it. That's today's video all about. We'll meet soon with a new one. Goodbye.